guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. Little update on the dyno mule. It's the silver 453T for those of you that are new to the channel. We're going to dyno test this, put different injectors in it, and see what kind of horsepower we can make out of it. So I've made the adapter. It's a number 3 flywheel off of Marine Series 53 series. With the yoke for the dyno. It's a slipped yoke that fits the shaft on that dyno. Previously, mind the mess. I just finished this job, so there's still filings everywhere. This was my old adapter I ran, but I quickly found out that all the flywheels are different on the 53. Every engine I go to work on, it has a different flywheel, so I have to do different dimensions on this race here, or this sleeve, and it's a lot of machining on the lathes. So to avoid that, I decided to use a standardized flywheel and housing. So this is a number 3 housing, same as that one on the 453T, and standardize everything. So I just run that housing and that flywheel, and I don't have to screw around. So happy times. We're getting very close to getting this done. I just have to do a few things, get the fan belts, the fan, work on the throttle for the dyno. That's not a priority, but maybe I can get that done before I do the first run. And then I think in the next day or so, I'm going to drag all this outside and do my first dyno run. And with any luck, I can break it in, you know, run it for an hour, maybe 2 hours if everything goes well, and break it in. I tested this yoke yesterday, so I'll put that in the video. Cold start and then testing the flywheel without the yoke and with the yoke. So I'll do that. And then kind of an update. The diamond in the rough, the 353, the previous video I did a diamond in the rough. Well, it's turned out to be an exceptionally good engine. So what I did, and I didn't video this because I've done so many of these videos now, I pulled out all the liners. I replaced one liner, this one here, or was it that one? Wait a minute, I might be lying to you guys again. Yeah, so I was so happy with this engine. You know, last video I did, I posted up, you know, should I keep it? Should I part it out? You know, it'd be a shame to throw it. It's such a good engine. So overwhelmingly you guys said keep it. So I ended up reusing these 2 liners and pistons, and then I replaced this liner, put a set of rings in it, and some new seals, put it all back together, bolted her all up, and I'm waiting for some seals. I found a flywheel for it, just a hack job flywheel off another engine, just temporary. I've got a head for it here. I have a couple of heads actually. Oh no, it's this head. You guys are gonna love this. Look at this. That's nasty. Oh boy. So anyway, all the valves are washed out in this thing, the guides, the valves, everything. But I saved all the valves and guides off that silver, this one here, the silver 453 head that I tore apart. So I'm going to reuse those valves and guides in this head. That's to come. I've got to do that. But for now, I've got to focus on the dyno. We've got to get the dyno runs in. Plan on a dyno run every weekend for the foreseeable future. So dyno runs on the weekend, and get working on the housing, wherever that went. Oh, this housing and that transmission, that's next. So yeah, dyno runs, and then work on the adapter for the ZF6. So that's what I'm focused on here. I've got another day of screwing around, like I said, to get everything sorted. But anyway, that's the update for you guys. Nice and smooth. So there you have it, guys. That's the update. I still gotta, like I said, configure a lot of little things. I've got a drill and tap for an EGT and a back pressure gauge here. The first dyno run I won't bother because it's got stock injectors in it, and we'll just run it. I'll use an IR gun and see what kind of temps we're getting. This old Delco Remy alternator came off a junk engine, so we'll hook all that up for charging. Can't say I'll have that done for the first dyno run, but we'll get that sorted. Got the console pretty much set up from the last dyno session. We only got 5.2 hours on it. Probably add a couple more gauges to it, oil temp and whatnot. So that's the update, guys. We're very close to getting some we're very close to making some music with the Silver Series. So still haven't found my tie downs for the lid. I have to beautify that lid some more, make it look pretty. But there you have it, guys. It's coming together slowly but surely. We're making things happen. There's just not enough time in the day to get it all done. So super excited though. Yeah, really happy. Not sure how we'll configure this because it's pouring rain out right now, just on the verge of snowing. And if it's doing that tomorrow, I just might put the engine inside the door here a little bit and have that stack pointing out. We'll see anyway. Anyway, guys, happy times. And again, thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.